I'd like to break out the 6A state champions for 2019, the Lady Techsters. Where you at? Come on!
Well, today was a celebration for our Benson Lady Techsters, just to recognize the incredible feat that they accomplished in winning the state championship.
It was just a game of strategy and maturity. We knew that they were a top contending team, and it was always Southidge and Benson, who's better, and we just made sure we came out and we played our game.
But this year we were on a mission, and we knew that Southidge was in our way, and so for them to come out and leave a statement like that was just impeccable, and so I'm so proud of these young ladies.
Well, this whole experience is great. I'm going to take away just the vibes, the positive energy, learning new things, and being open to learning new things. Also, I'm coming back next year to try to do it again.
This is not going to be a one-time event. There's good, beautiful things happening at Benson and in the city. You know, we want to build a program that lasts. We don't want to be Haley's Comet, you know, some nice flash thing in the sky that just dissipates. We want to keep this momentum rolling.